In this video, we'll cover the billing process front to back in full-frame systems. We'll go over merchant setup, payment options, billing adjustments, sending invoices, and more. First, you'll need to set up your billing to receive payments. To access the billing settings, click on Setup in the side navigation menu. Then select Billing. Let's start with the payment processor. Here you can add or edit your merchant bank account connection. We support Elevon, Stripe, and Authorize.net. Authorize.net is a gateway that can be used with almost all merchant banks. If you have an existing account, ask them if you can use Authorize.net as their gateway. In payment settings, there are three options. Your clients can submit a project without payment, you can require the payment in order to submit the project, or you have the option to include both. This also allows the use of watermarking if there is an outstanding balance due. Credit card requirements can be set here as well. You can also personalize to a specific client's profile with these payment settings. Lastly, let's upload your terms of service to inform clients about contractual obligations. This is a must in order to start receiving payments from clients. Once a client has submitted a project, you'll see a billing tab towards the top where you'll see their card information, order, and payment information. Here you can add an adjustment to the order, such as a discount, payment, refund, or charge. One or more adjustments can be added to any invoice. Any project changes made by the client or you will affect the invoice and are date stamped so that you can see the history of the project changes on the invoice. Under the Billing tab, you may also download an invoice in PDF format or email them an invoice with the message you wrote under Setup. If you have any questions, please contact us at info@gofullframe.com for more information. Thank you.